Hello everybody, GL1 here. Welcome to the Premier Online Toy Museum, and today I'm going to show you this simple magnetic robot toy. This is something I ordered on Temu, and it was just a few dollars, so I'm like, what the heck, let me try it out. I like things that connect magnetically, so I was curious to see what this would be like. Of course, they have it pictured with a little kid holding it, and they made it look 3 times as big, but I knew that was going to happen. I did expect it to be small for the few dollars that it was. But all right, so here it goes. So you have little magnets here, and they just snap in there. And this is his robot form, so it comes with a sword, comes with a, some kind of space weapon, although it has a magazine, so it's either shooting bullets or maybe that's energy. And then you have these little weapons, like little ray guns, and then they are not magnetic, and just attach there, and the head is magnetic, so that snaps in there. And then you have the torso, also magnetic, and see little wheels there, and it snaps. And then you have these little vehicles there also, like armored off-road vehicles. And then they also have little magnets in there. It probably would stay, they could have done friction, but the magnets add a little bit of something interesting to it. So, all right, so what does it do? Well, all right, so if you want to just play with it this way, then everything comes apart, and you just go like that, right? And then boom, and so you have this like fast attack vehicle. And then we can do that again, and it's the same one. Just take that out, and then another fast attack vehicle, and then you have your armored vehicles, right? And then you just turn that around. So you have a little fighting force that you can play with here. And then what do you do with this? Well, so not a whole lot, actually. So you can set the whole thing together so it's like this big kind of weapons platform type of thing. So you have these 2 wheels here, and then, you connect the SUVs. They have a spot, in the back. So then it rolls like that, and you can, either put the head on it or not, but it has a head, right? So it's just connected like that. That's it. That's simple. All right. So, if you see one of these, and you're thinking about getting one, this is what you can expect.